Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group polls on Instagram. So guys, first of all, open your group chat on your Instagram application. You can go to your Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of your screen. Then we're going to open your group chat on Instagram. So this is my group chat and I'm going to open it. Tap on the group chat. And if you want to create a poll, we can tap on the sticker button. Then after that we can click on the sticker button again, and since we want to create a poll, we can simply tap on the poll option. Okay, and you can add the poll questions right here. For example, I'm going to ask your favorite film, and you can add the option. It's over here, add option. I'm going to add thriller and drama and also science fiction. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to click on create poll. Okay, and now the poll has been created, and that's how we can create group poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.